is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat. 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 Row, row, row your boat.
Abby, what about London Bridge is falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
How about the Bible?
How about the Bible?
I need beer and hang on. I need couch and need bed.
She's pulling all right. London Bridge is on the couch. Who needs the proper words?
Hey,
you can make up your own.
Words are far overrated.
Like I said, she's clearly got the pulling in. Abby, tell Aunt Julie what's on your shirt. What are those? What are those?
Polka dots.
Oh, they are polka dots.
Polka dots. Could you tell?
What's on her shirt?
What's on her shirt? I think those are flowers, aren't they? Sorry. Well, thank you. Sorry.
What's that?
That's Raggedy Andy. And this is Raggedy Ann.
Aaron's so big.
Oh, how big is Aaron? How big is Aaron? So big. How big are you, Aaron? So big. Wow.
Oh, get him.
Yes, that is the Bible. Thank you. Hey, Aaron. How big is Aaron? Oh, he's huge.
Oh, wait. Come here, little climber.
Does he take after his Uncle Jimmy?
Would you like some milk, sir?